What's up, guys? It's a Gaming Bros with a special video. It's called
White Noise.
yeah, it's basically the Xbox version of Slenderman. And sorry, I couldn't read what it says on the screen. I was in the intro, but yeah, you guys could pause the video and read it. I guess you could do that. Yeah, it's called White Noise. It's a Slenderman for Xbox. It is very, very intense once you get more other recordings, because that's what you get.
Because in Slenderman you get pages, but in this game you get recordings. And what's better about it is that you hear the static of it, so you know when you're near one.
Yeah, so whenever you're near a tape, it'll, I guess, give you a signal. So LT, RT to run, X to turn off your light, and A to pick up a recording.
Wait, look.
That's yeah. So those are lost ghosts. Those are lost souls. I guess because they were here also. I don't know. Yeah, I cannot see very good on TV. Sorry, it's because my mouth is very dry when I'm doing recordings, and I have a drink with me. Just looking around.
Why would you be out of there?
Exactly.
Why?
I can't imagine the parents to this kid. Unless it's not a kid then. Rocks. Very scary.
The graphics are pretty good.
Graphics are actually pretty good for me. God, I'm expecting him to pop up behind me or something. I'm looking for a recording.
Actually, when she pops out, once you get one recording, that's when you get pretty much.
I'm trying to get near objects, see if I can find it.
Just walk. Give me the static of it.
I know, but I mean, still, it's better to look around. No, you're there. You see one dark.
It's slender.
And then also looking so. I hear it. No.
I'm not sure what it is.
I'm gonna ask him.
Okay. Kind of scary. You just like, come on. Like, just right there. Like, it doesn't pop out of your screen, but like,
oh god,
it's
that's
scary.
scary. Is it around here? Oh,
right there,
yay!
And that's what a recording looks like.
Yeah, that's what the recording looks like. Is this like a little orange and black thing? Say pick it up.
Right, so,
Oh, okay.
right, so start getting attention.
Oh my god, run back. Oh god. Okay.
We cool.
We cool. They're not get up in your face like that. Okay.
We can all be friends.
Yeah, we can all be friends and just gonna get my tape recording and I'll be on my way. We don't gotta be all up in our faces. My drink.
Minding our own business. It's being a stalker.
Dude, this guy's a stalker.
Be careful, you're on the woods.
Oh
God. You're ready to go.
No, I'm not. Oh, my baby cat. Okay. Shut up. When you get to pop-ups in your control shape, you don't know what you're saying, so just gotta keep on.
Just walk.
Yeah, you just gotta keep on walking, talking.
A rock in your face.
Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh, that's one out of 8, dude. It's an MOG.
Alright, my turn.
Okay, now it's AOK's turn. We are at 4 minutes. I think we can do it. Okay, here you go. Okay. Now it's AOK's turn. First one was me, now it's
What the hell?
Wait.
Go switch.
Well, a lot. It's just not so.
Okay. Just, I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't care if it goes. Okay, graffiti. Oh, it goes to his eyes. Oh.
Oh, look, buddy. A buddy. They're right there.
Bust.
Go in there. Go in there. Come in there, dude. I think one in the wall.
God, walk. Walk.
Hey, you lied to me.
There's nothing. Get out. Please, what cool? Be cool. Please don't be there.
Oh, I see one. Right there.
Where?
I lied.
Oh, okay. This is no matter of pain. This is life and death.
Okay. Whew. Okay. Dude, I can see you're very good. You're very skilled at skate. What the hell's going on back there? Did you hear that? Like murder going on in the background.
That's happening when I'm pain.
Exactly. Yes.
That's when I get. Dude, my heart's pumping.
Pawning? Hey, go in there. Maybe it's not around that thing.
It's like a dinosaur.
That's like a freaky little structure thing. I don't know what.
Dinosaur.
Do you hear one? It's not very intense, guys. When you haven't found one, so yeah, it's gonna get pretty boring.
Yeah, I think it kills it.
Yeah, you're getting near one. Just keep on walking. Give some out. Shit. Oh. You're close one. You're a very close one.
Right, found one.
Hey, yeah, get rid of pop-ups and
No! No pop-ups.
Yeah.
We cool? Why can't we? No. Dude, I got chills.
First one.
So.
Well, you get to tell by my death, Slenderman does lift. He is back. He's worked out.
It's funny because Slenderman's a dog or something.
Dog?
Yes, Slenderman can't have a dog.
No. There's no. Curse.
No. Why would you say that?
Because he's one recording out of 8. Not gonna make it.
That.
You're a bad friend.
No. No.
Why?
Oh, I can't touch the flashlight.
Ah! Run! Run!
Run away. Okay, walk.
Yeah, right into a brick wall. It's okay. Best get the side.
Oh yeah, I know. Just check stuff. It's not good. It's not good.
It's all good. We're
Face on over your face.
at 8 minutes.
No tree. I don't know where I'm going.
Just go straight. It's toward a tree.
Alright, I'm back to the little river.
Look at tree.
Dude, every time that pops out, I get chill. I just get chill pretty bad.
Alright.
What was that?
It's so
What
quiet.
was that?
Shut up. Just keep on playing your game. Kid.
Kid?
Yeah.
Kid?
Hey, go in there. I think I saw a recording of this time.
Oh yeah, put it on check.
Go in there.
No,
Run. There's a tape recording over there.
So, it's right there.
Turn around.
Don't make it turn around.
Whatever.
No. I'll go through this. No. Okay, I'm not
Oh yeah, of course you run into a brick wall. It's because it's safe. Why can't you just jump the fence? Or the wall? Wait, oh, there's barbed wire. Yeah, there's little stuff around there. There's a...
God, dude. Look, right there, dude. I'll jump that no matter what. To be honest.
Even if it... So when you jump it, and there's fire, a pit of lava right under it.
Just be realistic. We're talking about barbed wire.
Well, okay, well... What's wrong with,
It's
bag?
making my game bag. No.
He's a hacker. We're at 2 minutes. Okay, you got 5 more minutes. Oh, sorry.
No, what the hell?
Sorry, I dropped my controller. Sorry.
Why would I do that? Why would I do that?
What'd you do?
I turned it off by accident.
So you can conserve your energy.
So if I could waste my energy and live.
Be honest.
No.
No.
Never know. Never know. Is it really necessary to make items?
Mm-hmm.
I've been walking around. Okay.
I hear one. Oh, right there.
Get it.
Right there. Do you see it? Do you see it? Right there. Do you see it? Oh, please.
Get it!
Calm down, dude. You're prepared to walk up a little step.
I don't want to get trapped. Dude, I'm doing way better than you.
Dude, I got 3 recordings.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Every time.
You cannot just pop up like that.
Like that.
Sorry, dude, I'm just...
Oh my god.
Well...
Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you guys laughed. For our reactions, rate, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.